Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history in Microsoft Teams Desktop. This is a quick and effective method that clears your cache and removes any stored search data, giving you a fresh start with your Teams application. The process is surprisingly straightforward and only requires a couple of steps. We'll be accessing your Microsoft Teams folder directly through your computer's file system, which is where all your cached data and search history are stored locally on your device. To begin, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick access tool that allows you to navigate directly to specific folders or launch applications by typing their path or name. It's one of the most efficient ways to access system folders without clicking through multiple menus. In the Run dialog box that appears, type %sign app data %sign \Microsoft \Teams. Make sure you type this exactly as I've described, with the %signs around app data and the backslashes separating each folder name. Once you've typed this path correctly, click OK. This command tells your computer to navigate directly to the folder where Microsoft Teams stores all its local data, including your search history, cached files, and other temporary information. After clicking OK, your Microsoft Teams folder will open in a new window. You'll see various folders and files that the application uses to function. This is where all your cached data lives, and it's also where your search history is stored. Now comes the important part. Simply select all the folders and files within this location and delete them. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A to select everything, then pressing the delete key, or you can manually select all items and move them to your recycle bin. By deleting these files and folders, you're effectively clearing the cache of your Microsoft Teams application, which automatically removes your search history along with it. Don't worry about breaking your Teams application by doing this. When you launch Microsoft Teams again, it will automatically recreate these necessary files and folders, but they'll be fresh and empty, without any of your previous search data. This method is particularly useful if you want to clear your search suggestions, remove cached data that might be slowing down the application, or simply start fresh with a clean Teams environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.